Would you like your phone to last longer? We thought you turn the lights off when you leave home. It's dark inside the fridge when the door's closed. Why? To save power. So our engineers here at Sony thought, why not apply the same energy-saving way of thinking to smartphones? They created battery stamina mode. It turns off functions you don't need when your phone is in standby mode, but lets you keep things you want. You still receive calls, texts, and alarms, and you can easily choose which apps you want to keep running. The second you want to use your phone and you wake it up from standby mode, all functions are working normally again. Battery stamina mode improves your standby time by 4 times or more. Xperia Z. Experience the best of Sony in a smartphone.